So I wanted to do a quick video. I'm always super curious about other box businesses and packaging because I have my own. So my daughter ordered a Kylie Jenner lip kit, and this is how it came. So I just want to compare it with my box. So hers came directly in the box, and I do the same. I do a shipping label, but the box is quite dirty, as you can see. And I don't know, like if you're giving that as a gift, I don't know, it doesn't look that great. Like it's definitely really banged up and scuffed up, which happens when you transport for sure. I always use a poly bag though, because I do have white boxes, but they're not matte, they're shiny, but I don't want them to arrive dirty. So I always use a poly bag. So that's just a little bit extra. I also add the little extra touch. You know, I put the twine, I put a little thing. So it has really that handmade feel. Now I get that they probably do way bigger volume than me, so they probably can't add those little touches, but I think that's one nice part about buying from, you know, a local person or an Etsy shop, because they do add the little extra nice touches. Okay, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what the packaging like is inside. So she has tape on here, which I already opened, and that was actually upside down. So here it is. Nice. She's got a little card. And then this is kind of like crunched up. Let's see. So, okay, nice. So it's actually quite a big box for the items, because this is the item size. And it's basically, it's a lip liner and a lip gloss, and it's like a whopping 46 something plus shipping. So yeah, that's kind of the aesthetic. It's okay, it's cute. I'm gonna open my box because this is actually a ready to go box, and I'm just gonna show you. The one thing I noticed about her box is that the wrapping was quite, like, I don't want to be critical, but it looked a little bit sloppy, just very crunchy. And I understand, like, if that's kind of their packaging. I'm a stickler as far as, like, I don't know, I like it. Okay, so this is my box. I got the card, and I try and do this as neat as I can, and then I, like, seal it. And so then inside, you would open this paper. Now, obviously, when you're opening it, it would probably get damaged. Pop. I'm doing this with one hand. So yeah, I do the gift wrap, and then this is the inside. So I have a little thank you card, and then I do have more of this kind of a filler inside to keep everything safe. So yeah, that's kind of a side-by-side comparison of my gift box versus the Kylie Jenner gift box, and I just think it's super interesting. Like, I love ordering other boxes from people and just seeing what they do and how they package it. Anyways, that was an interesting video. And if you're looking for a last-minute gift, I have amazing handmade gift boxes. They're very high-end. This is all organic, handmade soaps, soy candles. It comes with tea. This one's already wrapped for shipping, but it's the little apothic jars. And chocolates, who doesn't want chocolate? For Christmas, I have a little bit of a different variety. I have a Christmas candle, and I can also do hot cocoa instead of tea. And yeah, let me know if you want a gift box. Happy Christmas.